Good Tuesday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Low pressure working across the northern Gulf of Alaska has created some gusty winds for Prince William Sound. Those are subsiding now, and areas of fog are left behind for parts of the interior. Some of that could be depositing a little bit of ice, according to observations. A little bit of light rain across the north slope today. It's warm enough for some droplets instead of flakes. A 1004 millibar low sitting across the Arctic Ocean, bringing in more of a northwesterly flow to the Chukchi seacoast. As high pressure south across the western tip of the YK Delta at 1030 millibars is locking in low clouds and moisture across a good chunk of the central and western Bering Sea and the Bering Strait there. Look for areas of fog to continue in those regions. Meanwhile, a much stronger storm across the North Pacific, across the north and central sections of the North Pacific, moving ever so slightly northward into the Gulf of Alaska, is warmer and wetter air. Storm there will continue sliding eastward while the warmer air is moving north. High pressure across western Alaska at 1026 millibars combined with a 1028 millibar high east of Glen Ellen will continue to hold most of that warmer and wetter air well out over the Gulf. Meanwhile, tonight, a few showers across central and southern parts of southeastern Alaska. Fog may form just offshore of Sitka. Showers are possible for the Aleutians, with fog developing across a large chunk of the Bering Sea tomorrow. High pressure sitting just south of St. Lawrence Island. A frontal boundary will sweep into the Chukchi seacoast by Wednesday afternoon. Periods of rain and snow may mix across the lower elevations of the coastal plain tomorrow. Showers of rain expected across Kotzebue Sound and a large area of the Seward Peninsula. Rain and snow showers expected to mix for Fairbanks in the middle Tanana Valley, as many along the areas north of the Eagle region and along the Alcan border are expected to also see a rain-snow mix. As colder air drops in a little bit more on Thursday, expect rain and snow to flip over to snow showers for the coastal plain, Brooks Range, and areas along and north of the Yukon Valley. Meanwhile, the low in the Gulf, it's creeping northward as high pressure relaxes its grip on southern Alaska. A 987 millibar low will move into the central Gulf, sweeping warmer and wetter air and wind across southeastern Alaska with more of an east and northeasterly flow for Kodiak, and dry weather continues for south central and southwest. With Alaska's statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder, reminding you you can always check your latest observations, satellite pictures, and radar anytime at weather.gov/Alaska.